This is my watch list for Monday, July 20th. All right, so what happened Friday? We popped into that supply. 747, 748 is a big area, and we rejected it. This morning, we are now gapping up and reclaiming some of that move that rejected on Friday. However, this is still a bearish chart as long as we're under 748, which is the lows from Thursday. If we reclaim 748 today, then we can look for longs on SPY, okay? However, I would be bearish bias as long as we are below this 747 and below 748, that whole zone there, okay? Now, we also bounced off of demand, right? This was early morning bounce on Friday. We bounced at 740, 741, and this is our big area from back here, right? Big level. So if we get below that, this is a short again on SPY. If we get below 740, this is a short with targets back into 730, okay? QQQ, same thing, right? 686 was a huge level from back here in June where the market bounced, and we bounced again off the same level on Friday. If the Qs get below 686, this is a short again. But I'll be watching today this 700, 702, which was the high on Friday, and see, do we reclaim or do we fail this level and continue lower, okay? Apple, this made a big move already. I would want to see a deeper pullback into 323 for a long on this. AMD reclaim 500. This is bullish, okay? The fact that we swept below and now reclaim, as long as this is above 500, this is bullish. Amazon, I still like this short under 244. I was watching Friday, but the whole market bounced. If we get this today, I will be shorting Amazon below 244 with targets into 240, 238. Let's see. Netflix as well, I'm watching today. Big earnings gap down, right? We've lost this big demand. That demand turns into supply. And if we get back to 71, I'll look for a pop and fade on Netflix today and look for rejects at 71. Palantir, I'm watching today as well, below 129. This had a nice, very strong move this Tuesday. However, you can see it's starting to give that back. If we lose 129, I think it goes back to 123, okay? NVIDIA, failed supply 206. As long as it's below 206, this is bearish. If we get the move back below 200 today, I'll look for shorts again on NVIDIA. Tesla, failed supply 386. If we reclaim 386, it's a long. As long as we're below 386, so this is a bearish chart. Okay, let's see what happens today, and I'll see you guys on live.